Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Fischl's unique passive. This powerful ability, often referred to as her ghost passive, is crucial for maximizing her potential in combat. It allows her Raven, Oz, to stay on the field for an extended duration, providing consistent off-field damage and elemental application. Understanding this mechanic is key to mastering Fischl. The only way to fully unlock this powerful ghost passive for Fischl is by advancing her constellations. This specific ability is tied to her 6th constellation, known as Evernight Raven. Each constellation level requires you to acquire a duplicate copy of Fischl, which can be obtained through the game's gacha system. It's a journey that rewards dedication. To acquire the necessary duplicates of Fischl, you'll need to engage with the game's wishing system. Fischl frequently appears as a featured 4-star character on various character event banners. Keep an eye on upcoming banner announcements and save your primogems specifically for banners where she has a boosted drop rate. Patience is key to reaching her 6th constellation. To maximize your chances, always participate in any in-game events that offer Fischl as a free character reward. Additionally, you can sometimes purchase Fischl directly from Payman's Bargains using Star Glitter, a currency obtained from wishing. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Reaching her 6th constellation significantly enhances her utility, making her a top-tier off-field damage dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.